Your fire.
Now, in a major shift in labor relations in the capital, Nairobi has become the first county in Kenya to formally institutionalize menstrual health days. Governor Johnson Sakaja's cabinet has ratified a policy granting female employees 2 days of leave every month to manage menstrual health. Our reporter, Marion Barasa, with this story.
The county government of Nairobi cabinet has approved a policy that allows all female employees to 2 menstrual leave days every month. The policy seeks to acknowledge challenges women face when undergoing painful menstrual period and support their reproductive health and overall well-being. The approval comes after medical studies showed that women between 65 to 80% experience menstrual pain. For a significant number of these women, the symptoms are severe enough to physically impair their ability to work. The studies presented to the cabinet revealed that women suffer from menstrual pain, clinically known as dysmenorrhea. For many, the symptoms are not just uncomfortable, they are debilitating.
If you are in pain, you cannot be productive.
But what does this mean for the day-to-day operations of the county? We spoke to a HR expert, Godric Arthur Itur. He emphasized that the success of the policy hinges on more than just a signature in the HR manual. He says sensitization of male colleagues is critical.
If you are a gentleman and you are actually in the office where one of your colleagues is on 2-day leave, we should be able to come in and be able to support them. Because if we worked together as a team in that way, we are going to ensure that productivity is optimized.
Nairobi County move follows Zambia, which pioneered the Mother's Day leave in 2015, which allows women in the workforce 1 day off per month without a doctor's note. Other countries with established menstrual leave entitlements include Spain, which offers 3 to 5 days of paid leave per month without a medical certificate. Japan allows for menstrual leave days for as long as it is needed. South Korea offers 1 day of unpaid leave, with employers liable to heavy fines for non-compliance. Indonesia offers 2 days of unpaid leave. And finally, Taiwan, which offers 3 days per year, which are not counted as sick leave.
It should be treated as it is because we know the reason why you are away. And again, this now removes it from being sickness. We need to normalize it. It's what we ladies go through, and it's normal.
As Nairobi transitions from policy to practice, the eyes of the country will be on City Hall to see if this model of empathy-driven productivity becomes the new standard for the modern African workforce. Marion Barasa, KTN.
Well, that's a step in the right direction, hoping more counties follow that lead by Nairobi County. Well,